Hi, welcome back to English 114 Online. This week we're going to concentrate on correspondence that you would need in order to get a job. So we're going to write a resume, and we're going to write a letter of application that would go with a resume. And we're going to pretend that you've gotten a successful interview for the job, and you are um, going to send a follow-up letter or a thank you letter for the interview time. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to find a job. Look on the internet, find a job that you're already qualified to do, or that in the future with your degree you'll be qualified to do. And here's some sources that you might try. So there's Indeed.com, and you can type in the search engine what kind of job you're looking for. This says Rocky Mount, but if you want to change this to Raleigh or some other place, then just do that. And then it'll give you some job opportunities, and you're just going to pick one of those. You need to pick a job that you are interested in, that, like I said, that you would be qualified for, or that you will be qualified for once you finish your degree. So find that first of all. And I have lost our Moodle page. So let me see if I can go back and find our Moodle page. And now I'm going to have to sign in again. Sorry about that, folks. That's how it goes sometimes. Okay, English 114 Online. There we go. All right, so you're going to find a job, and for the purpose of this assignment, you just need um, to find something that would be that you would have some information that you could use on a resume, or that you could put in a letter to accompany a resume. So anyway, find your job, and then once you find your job, go to the assignment sheet, and it'll tell you what to do. So find an advertisement for a job that you are currently qualified for, that you will be qualified for once you receive your degree. Create a letter of application for that job, a resume, and a follow-up letter using information from Chapter 14, reading assignment. So the problems are in our text on page 555. It's number 4, number 5, and number 6. Number 4 is the resume. Number 5 is the letter of application. And number 6 is the follow-up letter, or the thank you letter. And although the textbook asks for emails, type the letters as formal business letters, just like we did this past week. So make sure you have all your parts of your business letter there. And any information that you don't have, like maybe the name of the person you need to address your application letter to, you can make all of those details up. Use my name if you want to, but that would be something that you'd have to add details to the letters. But the problems in the book do ask you to create a resume for a specific job, a letter of application for that specific job, and a follow-up letter for that specific job. You can see samples of resumes in page 521 to 533 in our book. You can see samples of letters of application from 537 to 539 in our textbook. And you can see samples of the follow-up letter on 549 and 550. The sample that they show you is not a full business letter. So I put the note here again, full business letter format for even the follow-up letter. You won't have to have any graphics for this assignment, and of course, it depends on how much information you put in the documents. Try to keep your resume to 1 to 2 pages. If you could do it in 1 page, that would be great. And your objective is to be able to effectively create a letter of application, a resume, and a follow-up letter employing professional workplace style and tone, and make those business letters, or make those letters of application and the follow-up letter or the thank you letter in full format, full business letter format. All right. So complete all 3 documents, the letter of application, the resume, and the follow-up letter. Save them all as one document, just like you did with your business letters, just like you did with your memos. Insert a page break between each document so you can get them all in one document. And you want to submit them on the Turnitin link on the Moodle page. You also want to take a quiz for chapter 14 this week. So there's a quiz on chapter 14 also. In order to get ready to take the quiz, make sure you go through the slideshow for chapter 14. And I believe that you'll be able to answer the questions on the quiz from looking at the slideshow. Of course, you can always look things up in your book. Remember, you have as many times as you need to take the quiz, so you can take it multiple times until you get 100 if you'd like to do that. And it's open book, open Moodle page, open everything. So it's a good review for the information in slideshow for chapter 14. It's also a good summary of chapter 14 in your textbook. You can use an example from the book as far as the resume, which would be an effective resume and samples of resumes, 505 to 533. But you can also use a template. If you want to use a template for a resume, just remember to fill in all areas of the template. And if there's something on the template that you're not going to fill in, then delete that from the template. So you can use templates, you can use the examples from the book, or you can just Google resumes and see the different kinds and the different arrangement of information. Make sure you tell the truth on your resume. If you're looking for something and you think, well, I don't really have any experience in this, so I don't know how I can apply it to the job. Think about courses that you've taken that have given you information that would make you qualified for the job. And think about skills that you have that could be transferable from one job to another job. So keep all of that in mind as you work on your resume. And of course, as always, if you have any questions at all for me, or if I can clear anything up for you, then just email me and I will be glad to help you out. So that's what we're doing this week. If you have any questions, just let me know. And I look forward to seeing your resumes and your cover letter or your application letter and your follow-up letter. And I look forward to seeing you next time too. So I'll see you then.